Hi, it's Mildred Songbird, Mildred Birdsong in New York. All these pages that I've written are represent the unnecessary trouble that took down Barney Rubble, because Eve did discover the heart of the matter. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna read you. I'll keep the camera on Eve and Jesus Christ. This is Jesus Christ, Govinda Singh, Radhaswami, the Lord of the Soul. And this is Eve and her representation as being the light of the world, the female light of the world. Jesus Christ is the male light of the world. That's why I said Mr. and Mrs. Jesus Christ. This is Eve, the mother of the earth, encompasses Albert Einstein as her brain, her mind. Okay, let's begin. You can't buck where the sun don't shine. It's only gonna muck up the American mind. The stink you will leave behind. It's gonna bring on the ends of time. Enter entrances, exit exits. Exist in sometimes bliss when you know the slit between the kiss is the only kiss that fits your idea of illuminated bliss. You'll have to think about this. Einstein is deep, but it rings true, right? Okay. I ball my fists at injustice, like when the child teen at Covington was smeared and hissed. Alger hiss, dismissed America from the plane of existence. But the history shows the ghost of history, and history knows better than this. Eleanor Roosevelt, Judy Redinger, disagrees with Franklin. His politics are such she doesn't agree. Talk and Share got the method of asking questions from Socrates. Einstein was Socrates, and they're both the Michelle Birdsong, the wife of Jesus Christ. That's the only way to understand life better, is to ask questions. Pontius Pilate didn't knit the sweater. He said he killed Christ reluctantly. A rotten tomato cut by the sword of Damocles. It was the worst taste that spoiled the human race, history, and herstory. First Judas, then Jews, then Pontius Pilate all refused to save the Savior. Satan enslaved you. From then to now, you've got a chance to be free. How about Adam and Eve and Jesus Christ get your apology? Whatever else, they gave you life, the chance to live free. If you talk and share and let go of Baby Bear and dare to care for the good ancestors, and let the festering through Judas, the Jews, and Pontius Pilate accept their shame and their blame, admit they owe Eve reparations, a rethinking of her reputation, so she can feel elation for fixing the history and herstory of rich and poor, now good relations. Understood? Understand? Stand under the sun, humans, and let the subhumans into the kingdoms of animals, or beneath where the vermin and cockroaches. Mark Furman knew OJ was bad, but a glass of cold OJ orange juices refreshes you. What's the proof? I brush my tooth, then I suck the fruit, 'cause my disgust is gone. I'm glad America's my home. A toast to Queen Isabella and the explorer Christopher Columbus. You both did good. Let the water stay under the bridge over troubled water, and I will lay me down this scolds and frowns. American pioneers and founders were bold, and Eve was the strongest. She shouldered the slander, till the facts she did gather. Jesus Christ is in and out in her womb. Yes, it really is true. The 21st Jesus Christ won the bet. Bubale and he get the best bet yet. The woman behind wiped the behinds of the greatest men gods and soothed his sobs and gave him away to some other woman, so now and forever gets her rewards. All the babies she could want to have for eternity, as eternal youth is ours to keep. No more coffin. That's just some of the boons Eve's giving us, USA. Oh my God, we have a brighter day. Some of the blind can see. Now humanity can sing. We are the world, 'cause Eve saved some hope that Jesus Christ has a part to play in the new day. Welcome back as our leaders, Jesus Christ, Mother Eve, Adam, and their special Holy Royal family of ETs. Essential truth. Talk and share. The best of sleuths. The healer is the truth. Angel roots. Her ordered on Talk and Share. Remove the noose. Talk and Share is unfathomably good use. Created by Eve and the baby in her cave, that's going to save us, US, from any grave. The world has been saved. Welcome to the new eternal day. And that's what I have to say. This is Mild Red Songbird. Mild Red Bird Song. Einstein mine, Socrates behind, and brought onto the line. And from the path of the lions, Gurinder Singh and Ian here for you to see and enjoy. Into joy. Okay, girl and boy, so long.